Hi, my name's James, and I'm really excited to share with you this budgeting software that I've built called Tend. I've been trying to keep track of my own finances since I was 17. I've tried everything out there. I really care about this topic, and so that's why 6 months ago I set out to build the budgeting system that would work for me, and I'm going to share it with you today. Hopefully it works for you too.
When you first create your account with Tend, you'll see this welcome page, and it will instruct you to add all of your income sources and expense commitments into Tend. Right now it's manual. In the future it'll be automated when we link to your bank. But for this demo, I've already added all of these income sources and expense commitments to Tend so that we can see all the features of the app quickly. Here's your income sources page. The first thing you'll notice is the table where you have your name, the name of your income source, the amount, how it repeats, and then the percentage of your total income that source represents. If you sum all this up for the year, then you get this number. So this is, you make $95,000 a year. And then these next three numbers are averages. So your average monthly income, average weekly income, and even average daily income. All right, now let's head over to the expenses page. We've got the same layout, although you usually have many more expense commitments than you do income sources. In this example, we have 15. The same columns and the percent of your total income that expense eats up. And then you got your summary, just like before. So our annual committed expenses are $56,000 a year. And then on average, each month, each week, and each day. Now let's look at the forecast page where you can peek ahead at a specific month to see what's going to happen. For example, in the month of July, we will make $7,400. We've already committed to spending $4,300, and the remaining cash is $3,000. The second card here is any expenses or income that repeats on a non-monthly pattern, the annual stuff. So Amazon Prime is once a year. I know that that's going to be in July. And then this last card shows all the payments that you expect to receive and be charged for during a specific month. All these numbers will be different each month because not everything repeats perfectly on a monthly pattern. Now let's head over to the calendar page. We already have all this data, so now we lay it out in a calendar format. We can see when we'll receive money and exactly when we'll be charged. You can look at any month now and in the future. And the number at the top of each day represents the net total for that day. So July 1st, we will get this much money from our day job and we will be charged this much for rent. So we will be up $800. Now let's look at this overview page where you can see your current financial picture. The first card is your available cash averages. Again, the available cash is what's left over after you've subtracted money that's already committed. It's already spoken for. So on average, each month you'll have $3,271 to spend. Weekly, that comes out to $754, and even daily, that's $107. If you spend below these numbers each month, it's guaranteed that you'll make more money than you spend, which is what we're all going for. And the second card is a miniature view of the calendar that just shows the next 4 days, so there's no surprises. That's everything. So head over to tend.cash and create your account for free so that you can start spending money on things you value and stop paying for things you don't.